Guys, summer is the best time of the year people prepare to enjoy life after many months of work in horrible condition. Will you accept your tires secretly ruin your summer road trips and get stuck on the road in this hot weather? Most drivers are making at least one of these summer tire mistakes and they don't even realize it until it's too late. Today, I'm exposing the top 5 tire mistakes people make in summer that could lead to blowouts, poor fuel mileage, or worse accidents. So, stick around because mistake number 3 is the one even experienced drivers overlook. Let's go. Mistake number 1. Ignoring to check your car tire pressure in heat. Did you know that when the temperature climbs, your car tire pressure does too? A hot day can increase PSI by 3 to 5 points, so remember that overinflated tires reduce traction and wear out the canter tread fast. Make sure you check your tire pressure early morning when tires are cold and always use the manufacturer's recommended PSI. Mistake number 2. Driving with worn tire tread. Come on, you can't do this. Remember, summer rainstorms plus bald tires equal hydroplaning disaster. If your tread depth is under 2/32 of an inch or 1.6 millimeter, you're not just risking your grip, but also risking your life. And guess what? Most people don't even know they're already below the safe limit. So make sure you know how to use the penny trick to test your tire's tread depth. This is the easiest way for people who don't have digital tread tester. Mistake number 3, using winter or all seasons in extreme heat. Summer heat plus wrong tire compound equal performance nightmare. Winter tires get too soft and all seasons lose grip in high temps. So do you want to do this? Make sure you invest in proper summer performance tires if you live in hot climates or do a lot of highway driving. Summer tires are better in handling, better fuel economy, and shorter stopping distances. Using summer tires in summer will help you save money in the long run by preserving the lifespan of your tires and suspension. Mistake number 4, not rotating tires before a summer road. If you're planning to take a long trip for summer holiday, make sure you check your tires. If your tires have done 5,000 miles or over, you need to do rotation because uneven tire wear will lead to uneven performance. Did you know that front tires wear faster due to turning and engine load? A quick rotation will improve balance, extends lifespan, and reduces the chance of your tires blow out at high speed. Mistake number 5, skipping the visual inspection. Do not take any long trip without inspecting your tires. Small cracks and sidewall bubbles are early warning signs of a blowout. Before any summer trip, do a quick 60-second tire check. And here are things you should be looking for. Cuts or nails, sidewall bulges, uneven wear, discoloration. I have seen a case where someone see a tiny nail on his tire and keep on ignoring by saying, "I think it did not penetrate inside." 3 days later, I was called to rescue him with a blowout on the highway. Please don't be the next to get stuck on the roadside or ruin your summer holiday. You guys know that summer roads are brutal, but your tires don't have to suffer. Avoid these mistakes and you'll save money, drive safer, and keep your summer stress free. Comment below if you've ever made one of these mistakes or if you've got a tire tip we missed here. If you want to know how to make your tires last longer, then watch this next video that will pop up here. Many thanks for watching.